Hi, welcome to Ace Instruments. Today we're thrilled to announce the latest addition to our product line, the Indoor Air Quality Monitor. The model number for this piece is AI IAQ6PH. It's an indispensable solution that helps to ensure healthy and safe indoor environments in commercial buildings. It measures the 6 critical parameters of indoor air quality, starting with PM2.5 and PM10 particulate matter in two size configurations measured in microgram per meter cube. For thermal comfort, there is the measurement of temperature and humidity along with VOC and CO2. These 6 parameters provide you a comprehensive view of your overall indoor air quality. The sensors for these are built in and exposed at the bottom. So this allows the instrument to take accurate readings for each parameter. Coming to the hardware itself, the instrument features a touchscreen display of 3.5 inches, and it also has a real-time data display of all of these parameters on one screen. The touchscreen can be used to acknowledge alarms, set up the instrument, and customize any alarm parameters. The readout also provides a visual alarm. As you can see here, there is no audible buzzer alarm, but there is a visual indication that VOC is past the specified limit. Comes with two communication options. You can choose between RS485 Modbus for building management system communication or Wi-Fi. For Wi-Fi, we provide a web-based dashboard and we enable users to generate reports. This data that has been sent over Wi-Fi to our dashboard is accessible via mobiles, laptops, tablets, and it can also even be further displayed onto larger TV screens. Installing the Ace Instruments Indoor Air Quality Monitor is an extremely straightforward process. To begin the installation process, that is, mount the instrument on a wall, simply open the front two slots to expose the designated area for the insertion of screws. Once screws of adequate depth have been inserted in the slot like so, simply flip the slot closed. With an extremely user-friendly installation procedure, you'll have the instrument perfectly placed and ready to enhance your indoor air quality monitoring experience in no time.